Hey guys, today I'm going to make some salsa rice in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be real easy, just 3 ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of rice. This is long grain brown rice, but you can use any kind of rice that you want. And 1 cup of water to that. And then 1 cup of salsa. So it'll be equal parts. Whoa! Came out a little faster than I thought. Okay, maybe a little over a cup of salsa there. But like I was saying, just equal parts. So if you want a bigger batch, just use, a little more of everything. Okay, that looks real good. Now I'm just going to get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high. So we'll be back in a little while. I let this cook for 2.5 hours, so let's see how it looks. Looks good. Looks like the rice soaked up all the liquid nicely. Let me grab a plate and we'll try it out. I also cooked these black beans in my Instant Pot to go with it. I just followed the instructions on the bag. Cooked them for 25 minutes on the pressure cook setting. Then I seasoned them with some salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. I let the pressure release naturally, so I think they were in the pot about 1.5 hours. Put some canned corn and some avocado on there, so I got the whole vegan thing going on this one. Try a little of this rice, a little of these beans together, and see how it is. Turned out real good. Rice turns out real good in the slow cooker. Annie's dancing around over here. I wonder if she'll eat rice. I'll give her a little bit to see what she thinks of it. There you go. Well, she's chowing it right now. That answers that question. So that turned out pretty good. You guys are probably wondering where the meat is, but I actually had a heart attack during the year sometime last year and didn't even know it until I went and got a checkup and they did an echogram and did some more tests and they say, yeah, you had a heart attack. So I'm kind of cutting back on the meat a little bit. I'm not going to quit eating meat altogether, but kind of just cutting back a little bit for now. But anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys.